guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another video featuring one of my favorite wig companies of all time, WowAfrican.com. So if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check the description box down below where everything is going to be linked. But this is their loose deep wavy unit. The length that I have mine in is in a 20 inch, and this is the way that hairline looks in that Swiss clear lace. I love WowAfrican's hairline. I mean, can we please admire it? Those knots are bleached. The parting space that you will get is a 13x6. It does feature their glueless cap, so it does have the combs, adjustable straps, and elastic band on the inside. This is the way the unit looks directly out of the box. You guys can see that loose deep wave, that hairline. Y'all, this unit is ready to wear, and of course that amount of parting space that you do get, this unit is so cute. But you guys know me, I love to kind of get the unit to not look so much like it just came out of a box, so I really didn't have to do much work to it. I just applied a little bit of gel on top of the hair and used my hot comb just to make sure the top of the wig is laying nice and flat. And as far as that wave, I am going to put a little bit of leave-in conditioner on it, as well as use my Curls Blueberry Bliss gel just to kind of get the frizzies, because you probably can't see it, but there were some frizzies on the hair, so I just wanted to tame that down. I really didn't have to do much. WowAfrican's units come ready to wear, alright? So this is the way my unit looked after I did some slight styling with it. You guys can see just how those waves look and that hairline. I didn't have to do much, but y'all, I went ahead and I got the lace cut off camera. If you guys are interested in seeing how I did that, I will link a video below, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the unit on. I will say that this unit is definitely big head friendly, so for those of you guys who have a lot of hair, this is going to fit you nice and securely. I'm gonna go ahead and get the unit installed. So what I do is I take my got2b blast spray and I spray a couple of layers on top of my forehead, and then I blow dry it down, and then I just lay the lace on top of it, and at that point it will just stick there. Of course, if you need to adhere your ear tabs a little more, you can go ahead and do that, but I like to melt the lace down by using an elastic band. And then I just applied a little bit of my 𝐃𝐄𝐄 wax stick, as well as used my hot comb, and now I'm just going through the hair just to tame the frizzies with that spray that you saw me with. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and gently run my fingers through this hair just to loosen up those waves a bit to make it look a bit more natural. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove that elastic strap, and this is what we're working with. Y'all, I can never get that lace to look clear on my skin. What am I doing wrong? But I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of my foundation, as well as clean up that parting space with the concealer. That just helps with defining it so it looks a lot more natural. And this is what we're working with, y'all. Look at this, just look at it. It's so cute. Again, the length on this one is 20 inches. I'm 5'8", and when you pull on those curls, it should fall into your hip area if you do have a 20 inch, and the density on this one is 150%. These curls are nice and soft, and y'all, I am just loving this hairline. I have to keep on saying it because it is A1. Now here are the angles of the hair. Y'all, again, I'm 5'8", and this is where it falls on me, and the volume is A1. But the one thing that I love about WowAfrican's units is that you get a lot of parting space, and the construction of the cap is very secure, so you are able to style this unit in different ways. It's extremely versatile. It feels secure. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall off. And y'all know me, I always do something real simple and kind of cheesy. I don't know, I just want to keep it real quick and cute, so this is what I came up with. Of course, you can do some more intricate styles. Let me know how you plan on wearing your unit, because sis, this unit, you can do a lot with it, okay? But anyways, y'all, again, look at this unit, look at the hairline, look at those curls. This unit does have 13 by 6 inches of parting space, so you're going to be able to part this unit ear to ear and 6 inches back, like you can see here, and those knots are perfectly bleached. Again, y'all, this unit comes from WowAfrican.com. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I also have some coupon codes listed in the description bar, and y'all, I will check you guys later. Bye, guys.